lock pickers, and as you see in the vice before you, a little Yale. So let's see if we can't convince her to open for us. See what it takes to get in. Not convinced this is the pick I need, but we'll go. Okie dokie, that warrants stripping her open and seeing if there are actually any pins in there at all, because that was just bloody stupid. Right, I wasn't ready for that being that easy. So let's try and get this off without disturbing the key, because I don't have it. That was just stupidly easy. So the pick wasn't even sitting in there properly, and it just opened up like that. Right. Hang on. Don't be closing that up. I don't think we're going to have to be worrying. Oh, I was going to say worry about shimming, but there is quite a deep groove in there. So, better be safe than sorry. Let's just slide a old one in there. Is that too bent up? Right. Get a nice new shiny one to go in there and see if that fits in nicely. Yeah, that goes straight in. So let's chuck these out. So standard, 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 and up top we have standard. What? There's a spool in there. Standard. Oh my god, another spool. And standard. Right, let's just quickly chuck all these back in. I bet those spools don't even come into play, because that was just mental how easy that opened up. All the way around. Right, so no, that's first spool won't come into play, and the second spool wouldn't really come into play, and that was just, let's see, pins to there. And so all you had to do is just nudge that up so that the spool wasn't really even playing. Wow, you think people have that on their front door? You can rake that one open. Wow, well done, Yale. I thought you'd have come up with something a bit better than that. Anyway, cheers for watching, and hopefully we'll have a more stronger lock to come back to next time. See you later, bye.